So, curved or straight, which is normal and which is abnormal? So this is actually a question I got from one of my viewers, and thank you very much for sending in that question. It has really brought a lot of things out, and in this video you're going to learn a lot about, in case you haven't guessed it yet, the penis. Should it be straight or should it be curved? Stick and stay, you definitely want to find out what's going on here. So you're welcome. I'm Dr. Kelvin. I'm your wellness consultant, which means that your health is very, very important to me. And indeed, sexual health is a very, very big part of wellness. So in this video, we're going to talk about whether a straight penis is normal versus a curved penis and what's going on over here. Now, I did receive a question from one of my viewers, and here's the question. Doctor, my partner's thing is curved. Is it normal? And could it affect our prospects of having children in the future? So that was the question, and we're going to address it quickly. So, a straight penis or a curved penis, which is normal? Well, indeed, both of them are normal. They are almost the same number of men walking around with straight penises as there are men walking around with curved penises. And it does not in any way affect your fertility in any way, just for emphasis. There is, however, a condition called Peyronie's disease. In Peyronie's disease, the erection is associated with significant pain and discomfort. This could obviously affect your sexual experience and could avert you from actually having sex. And so it can, in a way, affect your fertility, because if you're not having sex, you cannot get a woman pregnant, you cannot have a baby. Now, what causes Peyronie's disease is something that we don't know yet, we haven't figured out. It seems as if some previous traumatic experience could result in the fibrosis of the penile tissue, which would then result in the curvature. If the curve in your penis is as a result of a traumatic experience, for instance, a penile fracture, then we could be talking about some serious consequences moving forward. Now, what's a penile fracture? It's a situation where, as the name implies, the penis is broken. Now, you may be wondering, the penis has no bones, so how does it get broken? Well, if the erect penis is forcefully bent into an awkward position, it could result in a penile fracture, and it is an excruciatingly painful experience for those who have actually gone through that. Now, if a penile fracture is allowed to heal on its own, then you could end up with a complication, which is a curve in your penis. And so if you are going through any form of pain during erection, you really need to get yourself evaluated properly, so that if there's a need to repair the damage, that damage is indeed repaired. And so this is just a quick installment to address a question I received from one of my subscribers, who was asking whether straight or curve was better. Well, indeed, both of them can do a good job. And so whichever one you have, just make sure that you learn how to use it, and use it as best as you possibly can. Have a fabulous time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's build this community together. Health, wellness, and happiness all found on this channel. Stay blessed. Signing out.